There, so I've just used a bit of used a blade along an edge to scrape the scrape all the card off this side here. So I've just got a very thin piece. This is very lightweight. It's and the plastic is very, very thin. So, and I wanted to use a flat piece here, not the curved piece, of course. So now the damage is quite extensive. The wing is there, but it's not in good condition. Oh, both sides are busted. This is not very nice. Oh, you poor thing. God, the cracks are just right there at the start of the damn thing. This is unbelievable. Ugh. Poor little thing. It's the only option. It's either going to get sent away to die. It's a male. Hello. Alright. There we go. That's not too bad. At least I've got the wings out and I can see the two cracks. Oh. Yeah. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to cut it into a couple of pieces. I'm going to need one to go across there. Yes, and one just to go across right there. His wings are looking pretty rough. I'm sure some of that's to do with me. I've got my two little pieces. They look like that. I'm going to use some grip glue. I'm putting it on the on this sheet. That's what I was hoping for, just a little bit of the ability to move it around and that it would sort of soak into the wing a little bit. God. Quel dommage, eh? Quel dommage. The angle of this one's a little more difficult. Again, I'll push it down a bit towards the... This one isn't quite got the glue in one little area. I'm going to try and just get a little bit under there. There we go. And then stick it back down. There we go. That worked. I'll just take that away. It's just not sticking. And give that some more. Just in the middle there where the crack is. Just doesn't want to stick down. There we go. There we go. Not 100% convinced of this. Still, that's looking pretty good. Hello, little buggy. Yeah, I know you're there. I know you're there. I'll be out in a moment. I'm just using the bit of paper. When it goes off on the card, I'll know it's gone off there on the butterfly. Right, so what I've done, I let the wings come up so they could just sit there and rest. And I'm just gonna let them come out. Poor little bugger. Oh, you don't want to come up on me, do you, anymore? There you go. And just sit there for a while. There, I want to hang off something like that. Just get that little, I'm just gonna give it a pull, and then if it doesn't come, I'll snip it. A pull? Yeah, it came off with a pull. There's a bit of fluff on that one. There we go. Yep, you've got that bug where you just want to climb higher and higher and higher and fly. Okay, we'll do it in a moment, okay? Just hold on. Look, you can hardly see his repair.
Yeah, I know. You've done a great job.
Isn't that cool? You can't see it. Alright, there you are. Let's check your wings. Looks fine. Anytime you're ready. Anytime you're ready. Come on, you've been hanging out for this all day, haven't you? Okay. Off you go in here. Come on. He's going. Ooh. Ha. Pretty good. That was a flight. He saw the edge and went to it. That's pretty good. Oh, you're in a spider's web. No, no, no. There we go. Look at that. Gliding. Landing. Perfect. Perfect. That's the stuff.